क्या आप एक स्मार्ट वॉच खरीदना चाहते हैं और अब ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं खर्च करना चाहते हैं? इफ़ यू आर वन ऑफ देम, चेक आउट दिस रिव्यू। सो फ्रेंड्स, बडिंग यूट्यूबर हूँ तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता ही है। सो प्लीज़ like and subscribe to my channel and do leave your comments down below, which I'll be very happy to read and answer to. So today I'm making this review actually in a different place. The light from my balcony window is really nice, so I'm just using this. Okay, so welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing really fine. And as the name suggests, today's review is on Realme Watch 1S Pro. We have a lot of variety for smartwatches today in the market, है ना? There's Amazfit, Goki, Realme, and there's of course the very expensive ones like Apple and Samsung. But ये जो watch है ना, Realme 1S Pro, ये थोड़ा हटके है. This has got all the features which you like, and it's below 10,000 rupees. It's really amazing. So the Realme Watch S Pro looks pretty good in the hand. It looks, I think, like a real watch. It looks quite stylish. The dial size is about 46 millimeters, that's about 1.4 inches. It's quite a big watch though, so you should make a note of that. But this looks quite nice. One of the best features of this watch is the battery life. This watch gives me approximately about 2 weeks of battery life if I don't use it very hard, as in if I don't do too many workouts or if I don't push it very hard. That's really incredible. Another unique function of this watch is the blood oxygen meter. So you can actually measure your blood oxygen levels. So you can also change the watch faces as you like. There are many different ones to choose from. Not as many as maybe the Samsung ones, but they're quite decent. I don't think anybody uses a lot of watch faces at one time, so the selection is very nice. The Realme Watch S Pro has a very beautiful AMOLED panel, and it's very bright, so you can even increase the brightness to quite a large extent. It goes really bright, which is... The Realme Watch S Pro comes with a silicone band. You can of course change it to any other traditional band that you like. You can get it on Amazon for quite cheap. So you can just remove this latch here from both the sides, and you can just change it to any other band of your choice. The Realme watch has a great selection of workouts and other activity tracking like outdoor run, and so you have a lot of choices here which will satisfy most people. And of course the watch also comes with its own app, that's the Realme Link app, available on Android and iOS. The app is quite extensive. You see the dashboard, it shows you the number of steps, sleep tracking, activity tracking, and a host of other things. And of course you also have a lot of watch faces here, which you can download, and there are plenty of them available on the app. And you can just check out many different kinds and just get it downloaded to your phone. Apart from that, the app also connects you for your notifications. It shows you different activity details, etc. One thing to note though is that the app works very well on Android, but it has some issues working with the Apple iOS phone, so you need to take care of that. So if you're on the lookout for a smartwatch that has it all, gives you all the features, but don't have the budget to really go up to the Apple Watch and the Samsung Galaxy watches, which are also great watches, then the Realme Watch S Pro is a fantastic watch. It's got a great battery life, and it has got a ton of features, and moreover it's just below 10,000 rupees. All these features below 10,000 rupees and a very stable software. It's very nice. Just go for it. So friends, I just hope you like my honest opinion about the Realme Watch S Pro. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down. I've left the links for the watch in the description, and please like and subscribe to my channel so I'll be motivated to make more and more videos for you. Until later, this is Sunny Days, Sunny signing off. Take care, stay safe, stay indoors, and I'll see you very soon.